Good morning, students. Welcome to your VVPS e-learning life skill class. Students, today we will complete all question answers and exercises of chapter number 2. Your chapter number 2 name is Praying to God and story name is Faith Heals Best. Is it clear? Chapter number 2. Question answers. Question answers. First question, where was the church located? The church was located on the top of the hills. Question number 2, why did Roxy come to visit the church? Answer is, Roxy come to visited the church to get the blessing of Virgin Mary for wellness of his father. Question number 3. Third question is, what did the owner of the hotel tell Roxy? The owner of the hotel told Roxy that if you have any problem in your life and faith in God, you will find answer to whatever problems you fall in your life. Next, question number 4. What did Roxy and his father find when they stopped at the local police station? They saw that three young policemen were playing Ludo to pass their time. Next, what did they found on reaching the church? Means question number 5. Answer is, on reaching to the church they found that the statue was encased in a small room with a decorative iron door. There were about a dozen people up there already. They were lying down, crying silently, and some were playing with forever. Question number 6. Describe the two women whom they met at the church. Answer, the first woman whom they met in the church was beautiful young lady with a smiling face, and the second woman was more than 70 years with brown eyes, full stop. Her head was tied in a white scarf that framed a round face. Is it clear? Now, question number 7. Student, question number 7 is, according to Annie, what was the best way to get the result faster at the church? Faster at the church. Answer is, according to Annie, that the more often or the harder you make the ascent, the faster you get the result. This is the answer number 7. Next, question number 8. How did people view this monument? Answer is, this monument to many was just an architectural marvel, but to the people who sought the divine help, Virgin Mary was their doctor, judge, confidant, financial advisor, and the best friend who will never reveal their secrets. Question answers are completed. 8 questions are given in this chapter. Next, moral thought. You will write 3 moral thoughts are given here. One by one you can understand First, God is very kind. Second, God looks after us in all difficulties. Third, God is our ultimate savior. Clear? Now, exercise start. Exercise of chapter number 2, fill in the blanks. One by one we will understand. From that village, comma, a path led to a small dash on the top of hill. यहाँ पे क्या fill होगा? Church. Is it clear? First fill in the blanks. Church. Second fill in the blanks. Roxy's dash was unwell for a long time. Answer, Roxy's father. Clear? Third question, third fill in the blanks. There were dash 100 steps to climb to the church. Answer is 200, means 2. Fill in the blank number 4. Fill in the blank number 4. There was a dash of Virgin Mary. Right answer is a statue of Virgin Mary. Fifth number, fill in the blanks. The belief was that the dash you make the ascent, comma, the faster you get results. Answer is harder. Is it clear? Yes, fill in the blanks exercise has completed. Now, next exercise, true false. Write T for true and F for false statement. First true false is Roxy's mother was unwell for a long time. True or false? False. Because Roxy's father was unwell. Question number 2 means true false number 2. Second number, true false. Leading from that village, a path led to a small temple on top of the hill. True or false? This is also false. Church, not temple. Third true false. There were 200 steps to climb. True. Yes, 200 steps to climb. Fourth number, true false. There was a statue was Virgin Mary. Yes, statue of Virgin Mary. True. Next, question number 5 means true false number 5. Everyone was full of praises about the church and its power. Yes. Right answer is true. Next exercise of chapter number 2 is multiple choice questions. Students, first MCQ question is, oh, I slept like a baby. Who said? 3 options. First, Roxy's father. Second, Roxy. Third, old lady. Right answer is Roxy's father. Second MCQ. Every 10th step was painted. 3 options. First red, second green, third blue. Right answer is blue. Next, third number MCQ is Roxy felt a light tap on his. 3 options. His hands, his legs, or his shoulder. Is it clear? Right answer is shoulder. Is it clear? Question number 4. MCQ number 4. From that village, a path led to a small dash on the top of hill. Is it clear? School, mosque, church. Right answer is church. Is it clear? Last MCQ means question number 5. To which place the locals called it one of the wonders of world? Temple, mosque and church. Right answer is locals are called church. Next exercise of chapter number 2, students, match the following. Roxy wanted to take his father to the church. This matching means in one side you can write Roxy wanted to take his father to the, and right side you will write church. This is the first matching. Second, Virgin Mary. Virgin Mary, left side you will write, and right side we can write statue. Third, heals best. Heals best. Right side we will write faith. Fourth, every 10th step was painted. Every 10th step was painted. Right side we will write blue. Matching. Is it clear? Last matching, the sun was high up in the sky. Left side we will write the sun was high up in the, right side we will write sky. Is it clear? Today class is